I'm Jeru. I'm a street artist. I have a style that I'd describe as whimsical, illustrative. The theme this year is what a sustainable city looks like, full of nature. And I'm going to give you 4 tips in how to design your mural. So number 1 is concept. So this is where we're looking at research and what story do you want to tell. It's a good time to be jotting down ideas, doing some little drawings, and coming up with this picture of a world that we're going to create. Number 2 is all about space. So we're thinking about how this is going to look large scale. So we're really used to doing pieces on A4 bits of paper, but how are we going to make that look big? Number 3 is composition. So let's remember that the mural is going to be 20 meters long, wide, and 2 meters high. How are you going to have a story that goes all the way throughout? And lastly, it's style and colour. So we want something big and bold and colourful. We want things that are simple, and then you can think about your detail later. So I'm really excited to see what you guys do with the art prize. Make sure that this is your world, your vision, and just be as creative as you can be. Yeah.